Hey, this is Chapornova. Just wanted to make a short video and explain what are PLR articles and the benefits of using them. What are the benefits of using PLR articles, okay? I'm just going to go down here on my page right here that I set up, and I have the question right there. What are PLR articles? PLR means private label rights, and PLR articles means you have the full rights to resell the PLR articles, edit the articles in any way you want, and rebrand the private label rights articles. Private label rights means you have the legal rights or license that you buy where you are legally allowed to modify or rebrand and publish the PLR articles in any way you want to, okay? We actually also sell PLR articles, so if I just click right here, you can see we have a whole bunch of different niches here. You can just click through those and see them. Go back here. We also have a package where you can get 100,000 niche articles right here. You can watch the video and you can get more of information on what you're going to receive, but you can just scroll down here. You can see what you can do with them. You can see different categories you're going to get. You can see all that information right here. Like I said, all you got to do is just click on this right here and you can see that for the 100,000 PLR articles, or click on this right here and it will open up also right there. All right. So here are 9 benefits of buying PLR articles, okay? Number 1, you can use PLR articles for your website/blog content. Using PLR articles for making videos that you can upload to YouTube, or you can use to make online e-learning/mini courses. Number 3, reselling PLR content on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, etc. Number 4, using PLR article content for your newsletter so you can send great content to your email subscriber list, okay? Number 5 is using PLR articles to build your email list. Number 6, reselling different PLR ebooks or using the articles to write large PLR ebooks. Number 7, making audio or podcasting using the PLR articles. Number 8, building an authority in your field/niche of expertise by reusing PLR articles. And number 9, developing a membership website by offering different niche topic PLR articles for sale. There are so many different ways that you can use PLR articles, and you can even sell these PLR articles. Like I said, if you come right over here, you can see right here, I got some more ideas right here. What can you do with PLR articles? You can write ebooks, make free reports, use PLRs to build your email list. See all those right here. You can scroll and you can look at those too by clicking there. You can see all these categories right here. And like I said, you can make a ton of money selling PLR articles. That's why we put together a package. Like I said, these 100,000 right here, or even these ones where you can get them broken down if you want, if you don't want to buy the whole 100,000. But really your best bet right here is the 100,000, because with the 100,000 right there, you're going to get a promo code, which is going to knock 50% off this, okay? So it's a great, great deal, okay? So I hope you have an understanding now of what are PLR articles and really what are the benefits of buying PLR articles. So if you have any kind of questions or anything like that, below this video, in the description area, we'll have links that you can go to this page right here if you want to read more about it, or if you want to get purchase any PLR articles that we have, or purchase the package, the bundle of 100,000 niche PLR articles that we have for sale. If you have any questions, like I said, you can post them in the comments below. Always when you come to our website here, like I said, it will be below this video under the YouTube video in the description. We'll have a link to this page right here. And if you have any questions, like I said, you can come over to the contact here. You can click on contact right there, and you can write us your question that you have, okay? This is Chapornova again. Thanks again for stopping by and learning about what are PLR articles and the benefits of using them, okay? Any questions, post them below. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.